How to add subscribe form in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add the submission form for subscribing or signing up into the Hostinger website page or any page on your website. So the process is going to be very easy. You're going to head over the dashboard of your Hostinger website builder. So you're going to type in on Google Hostinger website builder, then you're going to head over your platform. Basically, you need to have a subscription to have an account or a website on Hostinger. This is something obvious if you are or you own a website already. So you're going to head over your website lists like that, and then you're going to select the website that has the Hostinger logo, not the WordPress, because it will give you maybe a WordPress uh, website and also a Hostinger, but we need only the Hostinger editor. So we are going to click on edit website, and from here we are going to see the website that we have created. Hostinger obviously have a lot of templates that we have in advance. So it is going to have tons and tons of customizations, sections, and also elements. So what is a subscription form? It is going to be a element. So we are going to add it from the elements. But before we are going to add it from the elements, we're going to create a blank section specific for it. So I'm going to add here between the two sections are the intersection line in here, a section. And that section is going to be here a blank section. Now we're going to head over the elements, click on here, and then we're going to have the subscribe or the letter shaped, as you can see, button. So we are going to drag and drop it in here, and we are going to have some modification to it. For example, we are going to have it a little bit wider, and we can edit that form. So when you click edit form, basically you are going to see the general editing, like the name of that form, the email that will receive, here are the notifications, and also you're going to modify or add the fields. For example, here we have the email field. We can add a field like a short answer. For example, we can add this one. I'm going to modify it. Placeholder text, short answer. So we are going to put here, for example, full name, just like that. And we are going to have it just like this. You can add another form like a single choice or multiple choice, let's say suggestion, or a long paragraph. So here, since it is going to be a subscription or a subscribe form, we're going to have here something that we are going to put for the viewers. So let's say here that we are going to add a paragraph. We are going to put describe your choice of joining us, for example, and you're going to have it just right there. This is the short answer. So I did something wrong in here. So here we have the full name, and we're going to have this, the paragraph. We're going to change the label for that, like this. So you can modify the button here, the text on the button, the position of the button, also the visitors when they submit a form, what message or what link they are going to get. The styles, you can go ahead and select the, for example, the style of each one of the elements. For example, the form fields, the background, the submit button, or etc. For example, you can go ahead and put some colors in here or let it as it is. And also the animation, you can add, for example, a slide animation, a scale animation, or fading animation. We can remove that at all. Now for general, we are going to be back here for the form submission table. You can view the form submission table, or where are the forms, or basically here, or more precisely, the detail about these forms. So you are going to click on more settings, and then you are going to see form submissions, and you are going to see all the submissions for the contact form and the subscribe form. Also, we have a contact form that you can add not from the elements, you can add it as a section. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.